Buongiorno. Today we're in Ospedaletti in one of the most sought after Italian Riviera resorts, where we are delighted to present you a new two-bedroom apartment situated in a villa with a private swimming pool and a charming sea view. My name is Pavel from LiguriaHomes Casamare. Let's take a look. So here we have this living area, very bright one, with a lot of natural light. This modern kitchen. So now I get into the corridor. Here we have the master bedroom, a lot of natural light once again. Its own bathroom, one more bedroom, the small one, another bathroom right here.